Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your text width in Affinity. As you can see here, guys, I have a text right here and it basically says Affinity, right? So how to change the width of the text? Just go ahead and ensure that you click on your text. If you don't have any text, you can always use the text tool on the left hand side, and then you can basically type whatever you want. But once you select your text on the sheet on the page here, just go ahead and click on stroke on the upper right hand side. Here you'll have a section for color, you have swatches, you have stroke. Click on that, and here you will find the width. So you can go ahead and you can adjust this. And the more you adjust it, is the more you can see that your text width is changed. And that's it. So you go ahead and change it to whatever you want, and that's how you can easily go ahead and change it. Now, I want to also mention to you that not only the width of the text you can change, but you can also change the color of the outline of the text as well. So as you can see, this is a style that is selected. If you go to color, you can switch and click on the stroke and you can change the color of it as well. So just click on that and you can change it. So let's say I want to change this color here to maybe something like that. As you can see, it's changing, or like that. You can see that I am changing it. Now, to even make it better, have a look at this. If I go back to a stroke and adjust it, you can see that the middle of the inner color is getting visible again. So you can always go ahead and change that as well. So that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and change the width of your text in Affinity.